Nintendo has been the king of innovation when it comes to gaming, and with the Nintendo Switch 2 on the horizon, the gaming world is buzzing with excitement. But what do we really know about it? Today, we take an in-depth look at all the leaks, rumors, and expectations surrounding the next-gen console. So, buckle up. From patents to leaked industry reports, here's what we know so far. The Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to feature a more powerful GPU, improved battery life, and possibly an OLED screen for better visuals. Some sources claim it could even match the PS4 Pro in terms of performance. Nintendo has always kept its future projects under tight wraps, but that hasn't stopped leaks from surfacing. While some fans love getting sneak peeks, others argue that leaks spoil the surprises. But let's be honest, the hype is real. While the Nintendo Switch has been a revolutionary console, it's far from perfect. If Nintendo wants to dominate the market again, these are the key areas that need to improve: performance, Joy-Con durability, online services, and more storage. No more deleting games just to install another one. New console, new possibilities. But what about our old games? Many leaks suggest that Switch 2 will have full backward compatibility, meaning your entire Switch library might carry over. Imagine playing The Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom with higher frame rates and better textures. While the Nintendo Switch 2 finally put Nintendo on par with Xbox and PlayStation, or will it continue to focus on unique gameplay instead of raw power? The gaming industry is evolving and Nintendo must adapt to stay ahead. Let's take a look at how it stacks up against the competition. So, what do you think? Will the Nintendo Switch 2 be a game changer or just an incremental upgrade? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest gaming updates.